Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, trip computer, clock, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, brake assist, perimeter alarm. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.